Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix name is already taken issue on PUBG India. So let's start. Let's log in with Facebook. It might take a few seconds. Okay, so let's choose a character. Okay, now let's create. As you can see, I'm seeing this pop-up name is already taken. Let's change the username. Let's try again. Same thing. Okay, let's change to something else. Same name is already taken. Let me flip the mobile. Yep. Okay, so the fix is you need to paste this special character in front of your username. So link to this special character you can find in the description box below also. You can copy it from there and you can paste in front of your username. And as you can see, we gone through. Okay, and we're done. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can solve this name is already taken issue on PUBG. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.